How to access the battery on a Ford Transit Custom. Start by raising the driver's seat as high as it can go. Then lean the backrest forward and now slide the seat as far as you can towards the steering wheel. Looking beneath the seat, you'll see a metal strap with 2 or 3 bolts. Remove these. Pop this cable out of its position, remove the metal strap, and now you can remove the plastic housing, exposing the battery. If your van has start-stop technology, it's likely you're going to have 2 batteries under here. Obviously you can't be doing this if you need to jump start your van first thing in the morning when it's still dark. So watch this video up here and I'll show you how to jump start your van without having to go through this process.